guys, it's Sheila, also known as Onyx Beauty 1988 here on YouTube, and today I'm here to share with you guys a review on the Maigami Apricot It's All About Hair mask. I used this to deep condition my hair last night, and I must say the results were absolutely fabulous. So you may be saying to yourself, who is Maigami? Maigami is a brand that makes natural, luxurious, restorative hair care products that are designed to repair and restore your hair strands. Now with this mask, the great thing about it is it's for all hair types and it's sulfate free. Also on the back of the bottle it does say that it uses stem cell technology, and if you're not familiar when it comes to stem cell technology, when it comes to hair care products or skin care products, they are typically very expensive and very luxurious, and the benefits are plentiful. And I actually find that this product is pretty affordably priced for how much product you get. This is actually 6.7 ounces, which is, I think, pretty decent for a hair mask. I love the packaging too. Like, this is like a hard plastic jar, like it has some weight to it. Very beautiful packaging. It smells amazing. It smells like fresh apricots, but you get a lot of product for your money. It's a thick hair mask, so I feel like it really coated my hair really good. Basically, I washed my hair and I applied this all over my hair. My hair was a little bit dry, so I needed something to kind of moisturize my hair and strengthen it, and so this definitely did the trick. Another great thing about Maigami that I really like is that it is made in the US. And you can't say that about a lot of hair products because a lot of them are made overseas. So it's great to see a brand that's actually manufacturing their products here in the United States. Also, like I said, their line is for all types of hair. So no matter what your hair type is, you can find, benefits from using their products. They also do have shampoo and conditioner as well as a serum as well. I would definitely check out their website. I absolutely adore the mask so far. I haven't tried the shampoo and conditioner, but it is something that I would like to try in the future, just based off of how well the mask worked. It really makes your hair moisturized. Like, I have natural hair. This is kind of naturally dry, and my hair feels very, very soft, very moisturized after using this product. So highly recommend it. So make sure that you guys check out the link to Maigami's website in the description box so that you guys can pick up your Apricot It's All About Hair mask, as well as their other products. And if you've tried them before, let me know down below in the comment section. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the product as well. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.